Hello everyone. In this video we are going to learn how to use Google Jamboard. So let's start. So first of all, I'm going to click here on this Google Apps icon and then we'll scroll down and we'll come to Jamboard. And once this Google Jamboard dashboard is open for us, what we can do is we can create a new one by clicking on this plus icon. And if we want to see any previous Jamboards that we have created, so all the previous Jamboards that we have created will be appearing here. But now we are going to start new Jam. So we'll click on this plus icon. And now as you can see that a new Jamboard or a whiteboard has been created for us, and now we can start working on this board. So first of all, let's have a look at background. So now there are a couple of various options available for us. For example, if we put the dots, we can do that. Lines or rules are available here, and then squares, graph. If we want to change the color of the background, we can do so, or if we want to again bring it back to white, so we'll click on this one. And when we come on the left side, so there are a couple of options. The first one is pen, eraser, and then select, and then sticky note, image, and this laser or highlighter. So the first one is when we click on this arrow here, as you can see now the 4 different types of pens are available, and we can also change the color of the pen. So let's say I want to choose this marker and I want to have the color blue, so I will click on this blue color and then I can start writing whatever I want to write. If I have a digital pen, I can use that. If you don't have a digital pen, you can also use the cursor of the mouse to write whatever you want to write here. And if you want to erase something, then again we'll click on this eraser and then we will erase that part which you would like to erase from whatever has been written here. And when we come down on the sticky note, now in the sticky note we can type in anything that we would like to be showing here in the Jamboard. Let's say we want to type this message, and we can change the color. Let's say I'm happy with this color, and I'll click on save. And now as you can see here, the sticky note has been placed, and now we can drag this sticky note and place wherever we would like to this to be placed. And if we click on these 3 dots, we can edit the sticky note, we can duplicate, we can delete, we can do all sorts of things. For example, let's say I want to duplicate, so if I click here, then it's going to make a duplicate for us, and we can place this duplicate wherever we would like to place it. And if we can also turn this sticky note wherever we would like to place this, we can place this. And the next option here is to add an image. So when we click here, then there are a couple of options available. We can upload the image from our computer, we can upload from Google, we can upload from Google Drive, or the photos or Google Photos that we have in our cell phone. So let's say I want to upload from the computer, so I'll click on this option, and then I have to locate some file or some image which I would like to upload, and then it is now uploading, as you can see. And similarly I can place this image wherever I would like to place it. And if there is some content which you would like to highlight or which you would like the attention of the viewer to see it, so we can use this laser, and as you can see we can and this laser line will disappear by itself. And if we come on the top here in the middle, as you can see here, it shows one by one. So it means is that there are different frames available. So for example, this frame on which we are already working, if it is all done and you do not have any more space here, so we will click on this arrow and it is going to create another frame for us, which is blank one. So this is a very good feature which is available in Google Jamboard. On the other hand, this feature is not present in the Microsoft Whiteboard. So I think if they can really work on this option in Microsoft Whiteboard, that will be a great addition. And when we click on these three dots, more action, so all these options will appear to us. Rename, download as PDF, save frame as image, remove, make a copy, and update. If I want to rename this Jamboard, I can rename it, for example, Demo Jamboard, and let's click on OK. As you can see here, the name is updated here as well. And now let's have a look at how we can share this Jamboard with other people. Now the link has been created by itself. If I copy this link and share with whomever I want to share this link with, they will have the access to this Jamboard. Or there is an alternative way that I can type in the email address of the people whom I would like to share this Jamboard with. Now there are two options available here. The first one is can edit and the second one is can view. If I enable this option, then whosoever is going to receive the link of this Jamboard will be able to edit it. And if we select this option, then they will only be able to see the Jamboard. And while we are typing the email addresses here, we can also add a message here by typing the message here. And if we do not want to type anything, we can simply leave it blank as well. So we'll click on discard message. And once you type in the email address to whom you want to send the Jamboard, then we're going to click on send button. And we can also check in the send a copy to myself option. And then we can be able to send the Jamboard. And if we come here on this option, private only you can access. If I change click here and change here, so now there are a couple of options available. The first one is on public on the web, meaning that whosoever has the link will be able to see it on the internet and no sign in will be required. At the moment I have selected the option only specific people can access it. So this is the very good option if there is some confidential information or it is an internal Jamboard within your organization. So this is the most suitable option that you can apply to the Jamboard. Once you are done with all the settings and you would like to send, that's how you can send. So I think I have covered almost everything regarding the Jamboard. I hope you have liked this tutorial and thank you very much for watching this tutorial.